Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
An input bridge connects signals from multiple sources into a single device. Start by identifying signal types and connectors on each source device. Confirm voltage, impedance, and sample rates match the receiving device specifications. Power down all equipment before making physical connections to avoid damage. Route cables clearly and label each input with its source and channel number. Once wired, power devices sequentially and check signal levels on the receiving device. Adjust gain and trim slowly while monitoring for clipping and noise artifacts. Choose cables rated for the signal type, such as XLR for balanced audio. Plug each source into the designated bridge input jack and secure connectors. Configure input impedance to match the source, typically 600 ohms or high Z. Set sample rate to 48 kHz or the project standard on both bridge and device. Enable phantom power only for microphones that require 48V, not line-level devices. Use channel meters and headphones to verify clarity, phase, and level balance. If needed, apply low-cut filters to reduce rumble below. Begin testing with a known signal like a 1 kHz tone at -12 dBFS. Check each output for continuity and correct channel assignment using headphones. If you hear hum, inspect ground connections and use ground lift if appropriate. For intermittent dropouts, wiggle cables and receipt connectors while monitoring signal. Replace suspect cables with a known good spare and retest the failing channel. Document final settings, save presets, and label cables to simplify future setups. Train operators on proper power sequencing and connector handling to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.